name is Antoine Fonbonne. I'm a French personal trainer and YouTuber. The main takeaway was probably the gathering of different kind of ideas and different lights shed on topics we all know a lot of things about. I think the organization is much better than what you can get in other countries. France, for instance. So it's been very well done and very well organized.
This is my second time at the Human Performance Conference, and super honored to be invited for a second time. The hotel's awesome, the gym is great, and the venue is amazing. We managed to squeeze a whole lot of people into a room that was, you know, well designed for it, but so many folks wanted to come this year that it was really a good crowd. It was a really awesome inclusion, and I think the presenters were sort of given a couple of unfortunate circumstances that were out of their control before the conference. They managed to put together an unbelievable conference.
I'm Sander, I'm from the south of Holland. I'm a personal trainer, and the reason I came to the conference is mainly to, well, expand my skill set and learn more about practical implications for my clients. Well, the overall experience was very good actually. The hotel is very good reachable. From the get-go, it's just really relaxed. All the speakers are just experienced, so all the lectures are just smooth, and so you really just get your money's worth out of it.
Mario Tomic had this subject on marketing and coaching business, and all the other subjects were very interesting, and that was what I was expecting of this weekend. Probably because I wasn't expecting this talk about marketing and applying social media to grow your business. This was what I was not expecting, and I was positively surprised by it.